How to create and use shared albums and photos on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Photos on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Log into your account. Then you'll find two people option beside your profile and plus button on top right corner of your screen. Click on that and then click on Create Shared Album, which is beside Create Travel Album. Select any photos you want to add, then click on Add located on top right corner of your screen. As you can see, photos has been added. Now add title and then add description. You can also add highlight if you want and edit it. After doing that, simply click on Share, which is located on top right corner of your screen. Click on Get Link and then click on Create Link. As you can see, your album has been created. Now click on the plus button, which is above Add Photos, and then share it with your friends. Then you can use shared albums in this way. This is how to create and use shared albums and photos on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off.